taking the ferry, the car ferry, from Athens, Greece, about 15-20 minutes to the closest island called Salamina Island, super close. And there's the bird in the background. There's the Greek bird. That's going to be narrating. You!
That's me. I'm the Greek bird.
You're the Greek bird narrating in the background.
Yeah.
Salamina?
Yeah.
Salamina. Not to be confused with Salmonella. That's a different island, right?
Yeah, that's different. That's an island.
That's the island where all the chickens are.
In our stomach. Yeah.
Look at this, guys. This is so cool. My first island hopping. Right? My first island hopping while living in Greece. And check this out. It is only €1. That is insanely cheap. €1 to take the car ferry over from Athens over to Salamina Island. Highly, highly recommend it. And the best part of going over to Salamina Island is not only is it the cheapest way to island hop, it's €1, but it's also the closest island from Athens. It is only a quick 20-minute ferry ride over to Salamina, and what I especially like is there are no tourists here. My first island. You're not going to see any tourists. My first island hopping from Athens, and it's called Salamina. I'm in Salamina. It's the closest island. It's only like 20 minutes outside of Athens, but look how sick this place is. Look how cool. I'm on an island. Swimming anywhere. It's just so epic. All right, so here I am on a ferry here in Athens, Greece, right?
Greece.
And we're heading to Salamina.
Salamina is a small island outside of Athens, in the south of Athens.
Okay, you heard that?
Yeah.
It's a small island, but look how sick this is. I didn't know that. I thought Athens was really flat, so I'm actually pretty shocked that there's mountains
Everywhere. Athens is surrounded by mountains, not only around it, but even in the center of Athens. We have 2 mountains in the center of Athens. Downtown. Mountains. Hills, actually.
Hills.
Big hills.
I don't want to fall over, but this is it right here. And we parked downstairs. This is the car ferry. And ferry boat? This is the ferry boat. The car ferry. And this is it. So how long will it take to get to Salmonella?
Salmonella. I think 20 minutes, something like that.
20 minutes? As long as we don't eat the chicken? The Salmonella?
Yeah, salmonella with the chicken.
How do you really pronounce it?
Yeah, Salamina.
Salamina.
I forgot it. Yeah. We're moving, eh? Careful, eh?
Not Salmonella. Oh, we're moving.
Yeah.
All right, guys. So we are moving. We're moving. Let's see. Or you want to do it?
Yeah.
Okay, and we have real wine glasses, so it's kind of cool. And we're on an island. We took a ferry over to a car ferry. We took a car ferry from Athens to
Salamina.
Yeah. How do you say Opa? Opa. He did it. So there's our Prosecco, and we're so excited. Prosecco. Let me see if it gets it. Prosecco. And the Greek islands.
Okay, this is supposed to be a good one.
A good one what?
Sea, to swim.
Oh. I got it. Let's see if the rocks hurt you.
No, it doesn't, but there is this, the black ones, the spikes.
Wait, what about the black ones?
I like that they serve us with sunglasses on. Yeah, that's so weird. μία Χιλιάτικη.
Σίγουρα δεν έχω νομίζω πάντως. Αν θέλατε το σίγουρα.
Όχι, θα πάμε για... Θα πάμε μια κυδόνια σαγανάκι.
Ωραία.
Είναι χορτέλες αυτή, έχει πράγμα, έτσι δεν είναι...
Τα κυδόνια.
Ναι.
Μια χαρά είναι. Για 2 άτομα είναι μια χαρά. Ναι.
Τέλεια, ωραία. Φέρε μας μια κυδόνια και φέρε μας και μια μαριτάκι τηγανιτό.
Μαριτάκι τηγανιτό.
Έτσι.
Και... ξέρετε, τα περισσότερα φαγητά, τα κυρίως σου θέλουν ενημερωτικά και λέμε, ξέρετε, είναι για 2 άτομα. Πάντα. Οπότε, αν γίνεται λίγο αγγέλιο, το φύγω κομπλέ παντού.
Alright guys, so that concludes my island hopping trip from Athens to Salamina. Hope you enjoyed the video. I definitely recommend that if you are going to be visiting Athens. And make sure to hit that subscribe button. Thanks for watching and ciao for now.